Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English CUET. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which typically includes 45 to 50 questions to be attempted in 45 minutes. This means you have less than 1 minute per question. Next, divide your study time effectively across the 3 main sections: reading comprehension, verbal ability, and grammar. A balanced approach is key to scoring well, so dedicate consistent effort to each area. For reading comprehension, make it a habit to read widely, including editorials, essays, and short stories. This will enhance your reading speed and ability to grasp complex ideas quickly. Simultaneously, dedicate time to vocabulary building. Aim to learn at least 10 to 15 new words daily, understanding their nuances and usage. Regularly practice solving comprehension passages, focusing on extracting key information and understanding the author's perspective. Mastering grammar is crucial, so revisit basic rules like subject-verb agreement, tenses, and punctuation. Practice various question types such as error spotting and sentence improvement to solidify your understanding. For verbal ability, focus on expanding your knowledge of synonyms, antonyms, and analogies. Regularly practice idioms and phrases, understanding their meanings and appropriate contexts. Consistent practice in these areas will significantly improve your accuracy and speed. The final step is rigorous practice. Solve numerous mock tests and previous year's papers to simulate exam conditions. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance, noting areas where you made mistakes or took too long. This analysis will help you refine your strategy and improve your accuracy. Aim to complete the English section within 45 minutes, leaving a few minutes for review. Consistent practice is the best way to build confidence and achieve a high score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.